In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track an Ikea delivery. Start by opening your browser and heading to ikea.com. When the homepage loads, you may see a prompt to shop in your country or region. In some locations, there's a button like Go Shopping at Ikea, country code, for example, PH for the Philippines. If that isn't the right location for your order, use the store or country selector to switch to your local Ikea site. Being on the correct site matters because the tracking tools are region-specific and work best when matched to your delivery address. Once you're on the right site, look toward the upper right-hand side of the page. You should see a small truck icon. Click that icon to open the Track and Manage Your Ikea Order page, which is the hub for all delivery updates and self-service options. On this page, choose the delivery method that matches your order. If your items are arriving together on a scheduled vehicle, select truck delivery. If your order is coming as smaller shipments, choose parcel delivery. Picking the option that reflects how your order was sent ensures you're taken to the correct tracker. If you selected truck delivery, click the button labeled Track My Truck Delivery. On the next screen, choose Track Order. You'll be prompted to enter your tracking or reference number. Type it carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, and then submit. If your order was sent as a parcel delivery, follow the parcel tracking option on the same Track and Manage page. You may be redirected to IKEA's parcel tool or a carrier's tracking page. And just enter the same tracking or reference number provided in your confirmation message to see the latest updates. A few helpful tips. Your tracking or reference number is usually in your order confirmation or shipping email, and sometimes in a text message. If you place the order while signed in, you can also check your order history in your IKEA account to copy the exact reference. Tracking details can take a little time to appear after dispatch, so if nothing shows up immediately, check back later. Staying on the correct country site for the delivery address often resolves missing or outdated results. After you submit your number, you'll typically see an estimated delivery date, a time window when available, and status messages like dispatched, out for delivery, or delivered. If rescheduling or additional options are offered for your region, you'll find them on this page as well. And that's it. Go to ikea.com, click the truck icon on the right, choose truck or parcel delivery, and enter your tracking number to view the latest status of your IKEA delivery anytime.